Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to connect your PS5 to your Samsung Smart TV or monitor. So PS5 comes with an HDMI cable, and that's exactly what we'll be using. On the back of the PS5 you'll see that there's a HDMI socket, and that's what we're going to be plugging into. Next, on back of the Samsung Smart Monitor, you'll see that there's also a couple of sockets for the HDMI. And it's as easy as that. So go ahead and try that. If you just got a PS5, you want to hook it up to your smart monitor, Samsung smart monitor, just all you need is an HDMI cable and it should work. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button or comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.